Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link within a Google Docs document. This means when someone clicks on a link inside your document, it takes them straight to another part of the same document. This is perfect when you are working on long assignments, reports, manuals, eBooks, or research work. Let's get started. First, open your document in docs.google.com. Before you create the link, you need to have headings. So highlight the section title you want to reference. Go to the top toolbar, click where it says Normal Text, and change it to Heading 1 or Heading 2, depending on how you want it formatted. Google Docs uses these headings as link points. Now, move to the text where you want to insert the clickable link. For example, if this is your introduction area or table of contents, highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Maybe it says Chapter 1 or Go to Summary. With it highlighted, right-click and click Link. Or you can also click the little link icon at the top of the page. A small box will pop up. You will see a section called Headings and Bookmarks. Under that, Google Docs will automatically show all the headings in your document. Just click the one you want to link to. For example, click Heading 1, Introduction, or whichever section you want. Then, click Apply. Now your text becomes a clickable link. If you click on that text, Google Docs will jump straight to the part of the document where that heading is located. You can repeat this same step for all sections you want to link to, like Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Summary, Conclusion, and more. This makes your document easier to navigate, more professional, and perfect if someone is reading it online. And that's it. That's how to link within a Google Docs document. It's very simple and makes your document super organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.